Just got a new washing machine? Before you start using it, there is this one crucial step that you can't skip: removing the shipping boats. This is so important, and yet many people overlook it. And trust me, this can lead to serious damage. Let me show you how to do it the right way.
Shipping bolts are large screws installed by the manufacturer to secure the drum during transport. They keep the drum from moving around inside the machine while it's being delivered. Sound useful, right? But once the machine is inside your home, these bolts need to be removed. Why is it important to remove them? If you don't remove the shipping bolts, your washing machine drum won't be able to move freely during a wash cycle. This can cause loud banging noise when the machine spins, several vibrations which could damage your floor or walls, and worst of all, permanent damage to the drum and motor. Removing these bolts is the first step to keeping your machine in good shape. Tools you will need to remove the shipping bolt: all you need is a wrench or spinner, which usually comes with the washing machine. If it's not included, you can use a standard wrench from your toolbox. Now, because this washing machine is brand new and still intended for sale, I won't be removing the shipping bolts. Here is how to remove the shipping bolt in 3 easy steps. 1. Locate the bolt. Check the back of the washing machine. Most front loaders have 3 to 5 bolts clearly visible. 2. Loosen and remove. Use your spanner to turn each bolt counterclockwise until it comes out. 3. Cover the hose. Use the plastic cap that came with the machine to cover the bolt hose. This prevents dust or moisture from entering. What to do with the bolt? Don't throw the bolt away. Keep the bolt in a safe place. If you ever need to move your washing machine, you will need these bolts to secure the drum again for transport.
Removing shipping bolt is a small step, but it's absolutely crucial for the safety and longevity of your washing machine. If you skip this step, you're risking a major damage, so don't forget to do it. If this video was helpful, give it a like, drop any question in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. See you next time. Thank you.